Our North Quincy branch library at 381 Hancock Street is now open to visitors Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Tuesday from 1 to 9 p.m., and Thursday from 1 to 5 p.m. We would love for you to pay us a visit, but for those of you who aren't able to be here in person, we hope you enjoy this video walkthrough highlighting some of the renovation work that has been done. Upgrades to the building include new ceilings, carpet, paint, lighting, and accessibility features, including an expanded restroom and a lift to the upper and lower levels. The expansion of the program room on the Hancock Street side of the building is still underway. Visitors are invited to come and enjoy the new space, browse materials and pick up holds, use Wi-Fi, computers, and print copy services, and read or study. In-person story times and events will resume when the program room is completed later this spring. Free parking for visitors is available behind the library. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour. We hope to see you soon.